Tim, back again with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Not sure if this video is ever going to go live, but I'm going to look at a new car. Not really in the plan, the long-term plan, but the market's really hot right now, and I don't know. Sometimes things fall into your lap, and you just got to go with it. So we're going to look at a new car. It's in Boston, which is, I think the dealership's about 2 hours away from my house. So we're on the way there right now. I'm by myself. Nobody else wanted to come. Everyone's busy. It's a Saturday. Got a lot of traffic on the Mass Turnpike. But we're gonna go to the dealership, see what they have to say, see what the numbers are, and go from there. If everything goes right, the Mustang will be going bye-bye, which is probably upsetting to some of you guys, but I think I'm gonna be much happier with the purchase that I will be buying if everything comes together. So I just want to touch on a couple of reasons why I'm thinking about doing this. Number one, right now the market is really hot, like really hot, and I can pretty much get what I paid for this car, brand new. So it's kind of a no-brainer. If there's a time ever to get out of a car, it's gonna be now. I put 15,000 miles on it and enjoyed it for that 15,000 miles. So if I'm gonna get rid of it, it's gonna be now. Pretty much rent a car for a year. That's kind of the main reason. I like the car. I don't dislike it. Obviously, I love it. The only issue is I feel like it's missing something. I don't know what it's missing, but I drove the car that I'm about to show you guys. One of my friends has one, and I absolutely fell in love. It's like I felt like a kid in a candy store when I drove it. And I've never been surprised by a car before, but this car surprised me. I was like, holy crap, this is fun, and I like this a lot. I think it's because it's much lighter than the Mustang, and it's got a turbo, so it feels fast. I mean, it's still pretty quick, but it's definitely not fast. And I think I'm gonna have to go back to my roots. So we're on the Mass Turnpike. We're at 495 for any local fellas. Got about, let's see, 44 minutes left. Another Facebook market buy. I've had really good luck with dealerships, some of their salesmen putting cars on Facebook Market and then being wicked cool. Not some old geezer that doesn't know what he's talking about. So the guy seems like a good dude. That's where I bought the Mustang. It was on Facebook Market. Hit him up. Bada bang. Here we are. So we'll see what happens. All right, fellas. So as you can see, I just scooped this bad Larry, Boost Blue. The camera does not do this color justice. So this is gonna be the new project car. We're gonna be doing, I think we're gonna be doing a track build. This is a 21, so it's got the two-piece rotors. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna be picking up Monday. Today's Saturday. There was actually some real beef going on at the dealership. 3 people, and I was one of the 3, came in today actually trying to buy this car, and I was the first one. And there was a couple mad salesmen and a couple mad buyers. But first come, first serve, bitch. Let me know what you guys think about this thing. You got the refreshed vents in the back and in the front. So one of the things I didn't get to do with the Mustang is actually leave the plastic on the car because it was on the lot for so long. But this car, when I pick it up on Monday, they're not touching the paint, they're not touching the seats, they're leaving it all wrapped, they're leaving the sticker on, so it's going to be just like this when I pick it up Monday. All right, so I'm driving back. I'm still like mind blown that I'm buying a Civic Type R. Like I don't know. I'm so excited. I get to pick it up on Monday, like I said. And I'm actually headed to Carlos's right now to make another video for you guys. That's for a part for a Speed 3. So we're gonna hang out, put that on. Today's Saturday, probably have a couple brewskis. And yeah, but that'll be a separate video for you guys. And so the deal with the Civic, I didn't really give you guys too much information about it yet, but the deal with the Civic, they stopped producing them in July, and it's the beginning of August, so they shut down the plants that were producing the FK8 Type Rs, and because the new generation Civic's already out, but they haven't announced the next gen Type R, and so right now the market is going buck wild crazy with prices, and I was looking at used ones online. There's 2018, 2019s with 20 or 30,000 miles on it, going for 40, 42, some even 44. I saw a couple for 45, and I'm not buying a used car over MSRP. That's just stupid. I would never do that. And I found a dealership, the dealership that I went to in Boston. I really wanted the Boost Blue. It was either that or white, but number one choice was the Boost Blue, and they had one. Alright, so I'm currently editing the video right now, and I got to the end of editing, and I realized that some of the stuff got deleted, and so I'm going to sum everything up. So I was talking about the dealer that had the Boost Blue that I went and looked at and I bought. So I ended up paying a little bit more than I wanted to. However, I got the car I wanted to, so yin and yang. I mean, it is what it is. I got one before they stopped making it, or before I couldn't find one in the color I wanted, so I can't really complain. And I don't think I've ever been so excited to get a car, and Monday can't come fast enough. But with that being said, I think that some of you guys won't be very happy with the change on the channel from the Mustang, because I definitely enjoy the Mustang. However, a couple reasons were, or a couple things that I wanted to go over with you guys real quick before I end the video. You got that puppy. What are you doing, Remy? Bye. Gotta take your leash off, woman. Anyways, so a couple things. The Type R's lighter. It's got a turbo, more space, bigger trunk, 4 seats, blah blah blah. So it's more practical than the Mustang. The Mustang's loud. I mean, it's a good weekend car. It's fun. It's fast. But I feel like every time I got in the Mustang, I was missing something. Not like crazy, but I feel like it just didn't have that engagement that the Type R had. And with this deal, I'm putting some cash in my pocket based on what I owed on the Mustang and what I put down on the Type R. So I'm putting cash in my pocket. So that was definitely a driving factor, trying to free up some funds. And honestly, I don't think I've drove my buddies, like I said, and I don't think I've been into a stock car that I've had so much fun in. So I think this could be a good choice for me, and I hope you guys continue watching, the guys that were here for Mustangs, because this one's gonna be a good build, even though it's a Civic and it's a Honda. But like I said, I hope you guys stay around. Make sure you guys let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure you like the video or dislike if you don't like it. I don't really care. And we'll catch you in the next one. Next one will be bringing the Civic home and giving you guys a little walk around, blah blah blah. So I'm Tim. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. See ya.